Welcome, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10, and today I'll show you how you can add widgets to your home screen. So at the first you have to click and hold home screen, then tap on the widgets. And for example, we can add maybe the analog clock. So click and hold it and then drag it here. As you can see, there we got our widget. When you tap on it, you are able to open your clock real quick. And you can also change size of this widget by clicking, holding, and after that you are able to make it just like that. So as you can see, that's how we can adjust, how we can add widgets to your home screen in this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.